What's up, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most juiciest spicy honey glazed lemon pepper chicken wings. Let's go. I'm excited. Are you? Spicy honey glazed lemon pepper. My way. Cheers. Okay, I lied. In the last video, when I said it was the best chicken wings I ever made, I think I just topped that. It's so good. The lemon pepper, but when you actually squeeze some lemon into it, game over. Game changer. That's all you needed. That was delicious. Please like and follow for more videos. And don't forget, give this recipe a try. I'll see y'all next time. Peace. I'm gonna go tear this up.